YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I want to dive right into Hex. But if you guys are brand new to Hex, first of all, guys, this is a project that we've been talking about on my channel now for over a year, guys, which is really crazy to say. But we were really talking about Hex way back here, guys, way before all these big run-ups. When we started covering Hex, it was around maybe 2-3 cents. And as you guys could see, we're just sitting over 6 cents today. And we kind of floored out. Our bottom was around 3 cents. So our bottom was kind of around where we first started talking about it. As you guys could see, since then we had a big parabolic run up. We created this head and shoulders. This was a clean top to this project, and it just kind of started to correct down. And of course, whales pumping it back up, draining liquidity, trying to get a lot of these guys out of the market. And we're now seeing somewhat of a recovery for Hex. And this is one project that I am really looking forward to covering on the channel because one, Hex is absolutely a massive cryptocurrency. Even though it comes in at number 201 on CoinMarketcap, this is one of those coins that it's just not recorded correctly. This market cap on Hex actually puts this thing in the top 10, believe it or not. A lot of people don't believe that, but there are those of us who do believe that. Again, Hex is probably one of the most speculative cryptocurrencies. As you guys can see, there's 109,000 people watching this on CoinMarketCap right now. And for good reason, guys. A lot of these people have made a lot of money. And if you've been accumulating this whole time, if you were accumulating really since 2021, since last year, since we started talking about this, a lot of people are still in profit, even after, this thing has already corrected down like 80-90%. We are still in profit. And why is that? Is because Hex holders just tend to hold. Like the people that really understand what they're investing in, the people that really understand what they're buying with Hex, they tend not to sell. As you guys can see, they actually tend to accumulate when Bitcoin pumps. The 24-hour volume going up today 60%, and Hex starting to make a recovery in this market. And this is what we want to see, guys. We want to see coins that are picking up in volume, coins that have a large fan base like Hex, again, with 109,000 people watching them. Richard also, who's the owner of this company, he has a massive following. This guy is very big on Twitter. He's very active on Twitter. The guy makes a ton of money. He's probably close to a billionaire. Somebody asked me in my group today, is Richard a billionaire? Probably in assets. I would think he's probably up there. Do I think liquidly he's a billionaire? I don't think he's a liquid billionaire right now. But I don't think you want to be a liquid billionaire right now. I think there's a lot of great opportunity right now in investing. And I think that Richard is a very smart guy. Everything that he's doing for a reason. I know they are talking about releasing Pulse also, and they put that off as well. I don't think that's a bad idea. I think that's a good idea. We want to make sure Bitcoin is doing some more bullish things, as well as he wants to make sure that everything is tight with that project and that they're not going to put out anything with any holes in it. No, a lot of you guys have seen a lot of really big projects that have been compromised, have been hacked and stuff like that. So I am more concerned about them putting out a good solid project than them just rushing to put something out to make us rich. Because again, this is something that's going to be around for a long time. If you guys were looking into Pulse and already know what it is, if you guys don't know what it is, it's going to be basically a fork of Ethereum with lower fees. And they're going to be taking a lot of Ethereum's market cap, in my opinion. And I like it. I like Pulse. I like the ideas behind it. I like Richard. I like the fact that even through this bear market, actually, Hex's Telegram still on a daily basis has like 70 to 80 people live in the voice chat. So this is really a community like I've really never seen before. These guys definitely know their stuff when it comes to crypto. When you drop into their Telegram, you can talk to pretty much anybody and they will have a vast knowledge of crypto on a different level than somebody that's just normally buying meme coins. These guys can tell you about staking. They can tell you about private keys. They can tell you really about almost anything you want to know about cryptocurrency. And that's really where you want to be. You want to be where all the nerds are hanging out, right? The guys who see the next step before everybody else because they know the problems that are going on in today's cryptocurrency, and they are investing in the projects that answer those problems. So in my opinion, Hex is absolutely not a crap coin. This is not something that I would ever compare to a lot of other coins out there. This is something that I do see a future in. I do like Hex. I like Richard. I do think that, you know, the recovery may take some time, but we got to keep in mind how awesome Hex has performed in the past. And just look at this all-time logarithmic chart, guys. This is absolutely what you want to see in a chart, this type of recovery. I do see Hex hopefully making some new all-time highs. How fast can this happen? I guess we'll see. Maybe by Christmas time we'll be looking at a higher Hex coin. Hopefully, I know I've been saying on this channel for a long time that I'm very bullish on Q4, that I do see a market recovery happening. It's going to depend, of course, on how strong Bitcoin is, but also Hex is also a coin that has defined the laws of what this crypto market has done, because last time when Bitcoin dropped, Hex was pumping like crazy every day. It was insane how much Hex was pumping, and that's why, again, I like to keep these on my watch list, just like these other 109,000 people, right? We'll click this, add it to our, well, I'm not logged in right now, but we'll add it. It's already on my watch list on my logged in account, but add this to your watch list, because this is one coin, guys, that is going to pick up in volume. Because again, once these people see that Hex is making a move, that Bitcoin's making a move, they're going to log into their CoinMarketCap. They're going to get the notification saying what the top movers are. And if history repeats itself, guys, Hex will find itself in that section of coins that are trending, of coins that are the top growers in the day, in the 7-day or whatever, and that is going to drive a lot of new investors too. So again, that's why we look at the 7-day chart and stuff like that, because we're looking for good entry points. As you guys can see, Hex in the short term just breaking below some key resistance right now, but we could bounce off of some of this stuff. Again, still creating new higher highs on the 7-day, so we're not concerned when we see a little sell-off like this. Also, our 1 month still new higher highs, not concerned seeing the sell-off like this. If this does decide that it wants to break down more, I'm not even concerned really until it breaks below this 4 cents, which I just don't think is going to happen. Again, I do think that we are in a recovery right now. We will have small pullbacks like this. We will have corrections once we start gaining new levels of support, but the corrections will not be as gnarly. It's not going to be what we've seen over the last couple months. Hopefully, again, hopefully, if Bitcoin does decide it wants to drop down to 12K, the market could be a bloodbath. But guys, in my opinion, this is very increasingly less likely to happen by the day. As you guys could see, again, making new all-time highs. Even on the 3-month, guys, we've been making new all-time highs, well, really since last month, but the 3-month indicating that we are creating this cup and handle, and this is what you want to see, guys. This is what you want to see in crypto. You want to time your entries like this. You want to be getting in when things are cheap, right? Not when things are super high. It's crazy. Everybody wanted to buy over here and everybody's speculative over here, when in reality, what we're looking at is a possibility of a retrace. This is the time. These are the good entry points, guys. This is what I want you to start identifying in crypto. Stop buying this crap. Stop buying this top, these all-time highs. Whenever this thing pumps up real high and everybody's making money and then you feel like you missed out, stop doing that, okay? Start being in the market when everybody gets out the market. That is when you make the most time in the market. Looking for trends like this, I'm telling you guys, this cup and handle has made me so much money. This pattern right here, this little cup and handle, as you guys could see, a couple of times that this cup and handle has pulled out. This is a cup, and it cup and handled out, and this ended up having a really big run up. We made new all-time highs. Literally, this was like months of just Hex making all-time highs. This was insane. For months, Hex was making all-time highs. So I hope that we see the same type of thing in this recovery. Again, Hex was up earlier today, 10%. Now we're down 2.6%. Not a big deal. We've seen a sell-off, but still making new all-time highs, and that's what we want to see out of Hex. But let me know what you guys think. Are you guys bullish on Hex? Are you bearish on Hex? Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure you guys join us on Discord. It's totally a free resource. I created that for you guys. So come in there, tap in. You guys can get TA just like this. Talk to us about your favorite coins or maybe some projects that you want to see on the channel, as well as meet me and get any questions answered. Guys, because the more you trade as a team, the better your chances are going to be of you making a lot of money in this bull cycle, okay? More minds are better than one. I recognize that even as myself, and that's why really I wanted to create a channel like this and create a system like this, because I value what you guys have to say. So make sure you tap in there. You are valued in our community, and we hope to see you there. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.